All right, the VHEAT 2-piece kitchen towel holders. 304 stainless steel, doesn't rust. I'm going to video a couple different scenarios of this and show you how it works, but I want to tell you about it real quick. So this was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own. Again, 304 stainless steel. Just to show you, this is 9 inches from end to end right here, 9 inches. So it's for smaller cabinets, you know, like kitchen cabinets, bathroom cabinets, that kind of stuff. Obviously looks really nice. On the back side here, we have a couple little pads on each side here to support it, you know, to so you don't have metal and wood. So that's nice. So it comes in a 2-pack in this box and packaged up individually. And this gap width right here is just a little under 1 inch. So plenty of space there. So let's see what it looks like here. Here it is hooked over my filing cabinet. Easy enough. Here it is hooked over the door. Nice. So there's that scenario. They're very tight right now, so if they ever loosen up, it's just a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten them back up. Easy. Here we have a bathroom, your typical bathroom cabinet door. Just hooks right on there. Serves its intended purpose. Refrigerator towel hanging off the stove. We replace it with this right here. There you go. It looks good. Stainless steel. And for tall guys like myself, if you really wanted to, having it up on the top of the counter, that might actually work for me too. So if you're looking for a nice stainless steel towel holder that fits nicely over a kitchen cabinet or a bathroom cabinet or even a filing cabinet so that you don't have to do this like I did on my stove or my refrigerator, check out this 304 stainless steel towel holder by VHEAT. Check it out.